Hello everyone, I hope you're all safe and fine. Today we are doing some crafting while we are at home. Something easy to do, and you can also use it for many occasions. So here are the things that we need for our DIY donut wall. A picture frame or small wooden plate, glue, better a hot glue gun, mini doilies or cake papers, a pen, a ruler, small wooden sticks or roots, and it's up to you. You can use wooden crafting materials like alphabets or numbers for the decoration. If you use a picture frame, remove the glass first and draw marks on the back wall where you will glue the roots later on. You can also use the doilies paper to check the distance of the donuts, and if you want, you can use colors to easily see the marks. Now turn on the hot glue gun and take a stick and attach it carefully to the marked place. Beware children, please don't do it alone. Let it dry briefly. We are almost done. Get your doily papers and cut out a little holes in the middle and put it on the roots. Finally, take your frame and attach it back to the back wall. The best comes at last. Decorate your DIY donut wall according to your taste or occasion. Instead of a picture frame, you can also use a wooden plate. Wouldn't it be awesome to put your own homemade donuts at your donut wall? I hope you enjoyed our DIY home edition crafting. I am Irene-Juliet Arzadon for EBC Bureau Germany, and we live in interesting times.
Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below.
Make sure you subscribe to EBC Digital Nest and follow all our other social media platforms to see more content like this.